Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the MCDX indicator for MT4. This tool, also known as Money Candle Detector X, displays market strength through color-coded histograms. In this video you'll see how the indicator works and how signals are interpreted. The MCDX indicator processes price data to distinguish bullish and bearish momentum, presenting it as color-coded bars on a subchart beneath the main price chart, with colors shifting to represent the strength of momentum forces. As we can see here on the chart, with the bright red bars, bright green bars, and blue bars. The bright red bars indicate strong bullish pressure, suggesting that buyers dominate, as we can see here on the chart, up to this point here, before the change in color, while bright green bars represent bearish momentum, as we can see here again on the chart, with the appearance of this green bar in the histogram. Meanwhile, the blue bars represent a weakening momentum or a reversal. You can adjust its settings such as hot money sensitivity, hot money period, hot money base, banker sensitivity, banker period, and banker base. And also adjust its colors so you can suit your trading need, such as if you want your bullish to be green, you can change it here, and you want your bearish to be red, and it has been reversed. Now our bearish momentum is identified by red histogram bars, and our bullish momentum is identified by green bullish bars in the histogram. Who is this suitable for? This indicator is suitable for scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and long-term investors across forex stocks, commodities, and indices. It provides clarity in decision making, early trend identification, reduced false signals, adaptability to strategies, and confidence in execution. However, shares lagging nature, like most indicators, can be a problem for it. Interpretation required for color shifts in different market environments. It may perform better in trending markets compared to ranging or tropic conditions, and should be combined with price action support resistance, moving averages, RSI, or other tools with proper risk management. You can download the MCDX indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how color-coded histogram intensity reveals market strength shifts between bulls and bears for improved timing. If you like visual momentum strength tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.